guys, welcome back to my channel. A long time no see. How are ya? Today I'm going to show you how to get this high ponytail look with extensions, inspired by Queen Ariana Grande. So if you want to learn how to get this look, keep on watching. I've already brushed out my hair and straightened it, and I have straightened my clip-in extensions as well. These are by the brand Bellamy, and I believe they're 22 inches long. I will list the color of the extensions down below. If you are having trouble picking out your color, you can send them a picture of your hair in different lightings, and they can recommend a color for you, and I think this one is a really good match for me. So, we're gonna start. I found that using the wefts with 4 clips, they're a little bit too wide for my head when I'm putting it up into a high ponytail. So I'm gonna stick with the 2 clip wefts, the 3 clips, and the singular skinny 1 clip wefts. So I'm gonna begin by sectioning off my hair. I'm just gonna go from right behind my ears all the way back, like my first lowest section. So I'm just going to clip up the rest of my hair. And I'm just going to clip a 1 clip weft in. But the trick is to clip it upside down. So right here, I'm just gonna wiggle it at my root and clip it like that. And normally when I do this, I do it with my head flipped upside down, but for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna do that. Going right up above that section, I'm gonna do the same thing. This time, since we're at the widest point of my head, I'm gonna do a 3 clip weft, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna wiggle it right at the root, clip it, and throw it back. So that was a 3 clip, and now I'm gonna do a 2 clip. You just want to think about where your ponytail is going to be. So it's going to be above that 2 clip for me, right up here. And you want to make sure if your clips are bothering you at this moment, they're going to bother you the rest of the day or night. This kind of hurts, so I'm just going to adjust it before I move on. Okay, that feels a lot better. Now we can move on to the front of our head. So I'm going to feel where the last clip was, and I'm going to section right in front of that. So right there, my ponytail is going to go right behind that. So I'm going to clip another 2 clip weft. This time it's not upside down. You're just going to clip it in normally. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a few 1 clip wefts on the side. Okay, so we'll do 1 in the middle, and we'll do 1 on the side. And these ones are just going straight back. They're not upside down. And then now we're gonna back comb the hair here, so it hides our clips and everything. So I'm gonna take a layer like this. I'm gonna spray it with some hairspray lightly. And I'm just going to give her a little tease. We're gonna do that all in the front. Because adding this volume is gonna cover up those clips. So yeah, you're just gonna look a little bit crazy for a second, but hang in there. And we're done. I'm not kidding. We're just going to gather all this hair into a ponytail. So I always start off with 1 ponytail first, and then I'm gonna kind of smooth out the front, wait for it to dry, and then add a 2nd ponytail. But you'll see what I mean. Okay. You really have to flip your head upside down and spray it everywhere, because you don't want any flyaways and baby hairs, and I get a lot of those. So hairspray is your friend. So go ahead and just brush that over. So I've managed to gather my ponytail up on top of my head. So now we're going to do a little detail work on the hairline. So I'm just gonna take a dark brown eyeshadow on like a fluffier sort of brush. I'm just gonna stipple that into where my hair is kind of thinner because I have a little cowlick, I don't know how you say it. And yeah, I'll just blend it. And like, because I do it here, I kind of have to like bring it down into the side here. And of course you want it to be denser up at the top and then kind of like fade out as it gets closer to your face because you still want it to look natural. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. These are like little details that no one else will really notice except for you. But trust me, this makes a really big difference. It just makes your hair look a lot fuller and makes your hairline look more perfect. And when I did my makeup, I made sure to contour around my hairline and really kind of like push that contour into the hairline. And that will also help sort of with making your hair look thicker. Okay, so now you look something like this. I'm going to brush my baby hairs down with a toothbrush and just kind of like sweep them into the rest of my hair. Just gonna do a little bit of this. It's so funny, when I was in middle school and high school, I would pluck the baby hairs off my forehead because I thought I had a hairy forehead. And it was only till, you know, like last year when baby hairs started becoming like cute and trendy and like people wanted them. And I was like, oh my god, baby hairs are cute. I guess when I was younger, I just thought, you know, being half Cuban, I just had a hairy forehead. And no, those are baby hairs, Tioni. I kind of want to hold and then brush it up like that. So yeah, if you have baby hairs, love them. Don't pluck them. And I also kind of like leave some of my sideburns down like this. Like that. And then I'm just gonna go around and just keep smoothing everything out with hairspray and my little toothbrush, and I'll come right back to you. So I just slicked all my hair up. I have my baby hairs all hairsprayed, and I let my hair kind of dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it up even higher now. If I were to let go of my hair, it would probably kind of like stay in this position, and that's what you want. So I'm going to put a little bit of extra spray on the back because I get a lot of hairs that fall down there. And of course you can always put bobby pins back there. So I'm going to use gravity to help me put this right at the top of my head. And you want to aim a little bit higher than you think you should because it'll fall backwards a little bit as you're getting it up there. Beauty is pain, ladies and gentlemen. Now that we have it up real high, I'm going to take a second hair tie and wrap it around this one. So also the hair ties I'm using are like specifically for thick hair. So they're a lot bigger than your average hair tie. And when you add two hair ties, I feel like it just adds some extra height to the ponytail too. Whew! That is so tight and snatched. Like the ponytail is pretty perky already, but we want it to look perkier. I'm gonna section my pony, like the front section like that. And I'm gonna back comb. Actually, I'm gonna use my brush. And this is just gonna make the front part of your ponytail kind of stand up a bit. Okay, cute. So you're going to hairspray where you back combed and on top. And you want to wait for your hairspray to dry a little bit. And you're going to take your trusty toothbrush again, spray it with some more hairspray. And you're just going to smooth it back like this. Oh my god, I forgot the whole part. So after you back comb it, you want to take like a little butterfly clip, like this guy, a little tiny baby claw clip. You're going to lift up the front section of your ponytail that you back combed, and you're going to clip this clip right, you're going to clip it right here, and then you're just going to let go. So now you look like this. Now you would go and smooth it back down. Also, if you wanted to be super extra, you could wrap your hair around the base of your ponytail holder so that no one could see it. Should we do that today? I don't really want to do my hair on the ponytail. Yeah, I think it's cute like this. So the last and final step is to just straighten your hair with the fake hair. This just kind of like blends it all together, I feel. Like I feel like they almost stick together. You straighten them. And I will say, if you don't like the fact that you can see your natural hair still, I would suggest curling it. That really hides it a lot better. But it does, like, I don't really mind. I don't think it's that noticeable. So that's the completed look.
Oh my god, I totally forgot to film a goodbye clip for this video. I'm sorry. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. If you use this tutorial, tag me on IG. My Instagram is @TianiNicole. I love seeing your guys' recreations. It really makes me happy to see people using my tutorials. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye!